Today's video is all about noun for occupation. It'd be helpful to know these words to express yourself in Korean. Don't forget to read aloud with me and let's get started. Listen carefully and let's read aloud.
선생님, 선생님.
선생님,
학생, 학생.
학생,
의사, 의사.
의사,
간호사, 간호사.
간호사,
요리사, 요리사.
요리사,
미용사, 미용사.
미용사. When you go to the hair shop, 미용사 will cut or form or dye your hair.
경찰관, 경찰관.
경찰관,
군인, 군인.
군인,
영화 배우, 영화 배우.
영화 배우,
가수, 가수.
가수,
화가, 화가.
화가,
운동선수, 운동선수.
운동선수,
변호사, 변호사.
변호사,
주부, 주부.
주부,
회사원, 회사원.
회사원. 회사원 is employee who works in the company.
승무원, 승무원.
승무원,
작가, 작가.
작가,
사진사 사진사
사진사
농부 농부
농부
디자이너 디자이너
디자이너
Here's a short quiz for you. Can you say this in Korean? Yes, 의사 is correct. Very good. Next question. Wow, very good. 경찰관 is correct. Now you can see the Korean letter on the screen. Please guess its meaning. Yes, right. It means cabin crew. Then the final question. Yes, it means a singer. Excellent.
How was it? Is your occupation included in this video? If not, please leave a comment, then I can let you know your occupation name in Korean. Thank you so much for watching till now, and I hope that you have gotten something from this, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. See you next time. Bye!